Scrubbing tile by hand physically hurts. You bend over, strain your wrists, and wreck your lower back just to get a halfway clean bathroom. So you look into an electric spin scrubber, but the market is entirely saturated with identical-looking plastic wands that all promise the exact same effortless results. Buying one blindly comes with genuine risks. You might end up with a motor that bogs down the second you press hard, a battery that dies 20 minutes into a deep clean, or a handle so clunky it doesn't actually relieve your joint strain. Finding an objective best scrubber is a myth. Success comes from matching a device's specific power profile directly to your physical limitations and the severity of your messes. To evaluate these tools properly, we have to look past the marketing and focus on 3 technical variables: RPM, torque, and ergonomic geometry. Speed, measured in RPM, is strictly for rapid surface maintenance and knocking loose light, unattached debris. But high speed means nothing without torque. Torque is the pushing power required to keep that brush head rotating when you apply heavy, downward pressure onto deep-seated grime. Ergonomic geometry dictates how the tool physically interacts with your body, determined by rod extension lengths and where the control buttons are placed. A highly adjustable handle is the primary factor that dictates whether a scrubber will actually alleviate your knee and shoulder pain. Understanding the physical trade-off between high-speed rotation and high-torque pushing power is the only reliable way to cut through the noise and find what works for you. The Leebein scrubber establishes a solid baseline for budget-friendly versatility. It ships with 8 specific brush heads and a telescoping rod that stretches anywhere from 12 to 54 inches. The primary trade-off here is power. The motor maxes out at 400 RPM, meaning it lacks the specialized brute force rotation required to clear out years of neglected buildup. If you value getting your weekend back over everything else, the 2U scrubber is designed strictly for the time-poor optimizer. It features a 450 RPM motor and full-body IPX7 waterproof rating, allowing you to instantly rinse the unit clean directly under a running faucet. 2U's design heavily prioritizes rapid, daily maintenance. You sacrifice some ultra-deep scrubbing leverage in exchange for strict speed and convenience. Both the Leebein and 2U excel at keeping an already well-maintained home clean, but they will struggle against heavily calcified, hardened messes. For heavy-duty, deep clean specialists dealing with neglected surfaces, the HOTO Flexi is the premium option. Its core technological advantage is pure torque. The motor delivers 4 Newton-meters of rotational pushing power. That torque allows you to grind through calcified hard water stains without stalling the brush, and the handle-mounted controls let you adjust speeds without awkward bending. However, this device uses button cell batteries, which require a stark safety warning. Swallowing these batteries can cause severe, rapidly fatal internal burns to children and pets. Owning this tool demands hyper-vigilant, out-of-reach storage practices. The HOTO delivers uncompromised raw power for the toughest household jobs, provided you are willing to take strict responsibility for that safety risk. When your priority shifts toward marathon cleaning sessions and maximum physical relief, the YKYI scrubber steps in. YKYI focuses heavily on endurance. A 2600 mAh battery provides roughly 100 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge. To achieve that battery life, it trades a fraction of top-end speed, running at 480 RPM, but operates at a remarkably quiet 62 decibels. If you want maximum ergonomic reach paired with top-tier power, the Bomves scrubber is the strongest overall option. This chart compares the maximum rotation speeds, and the Bomves clearly breaks the 500 RPM threshold at the top, making it the most aggressive cleaner. Beyond speed, Bomves features 3 distinct rod configurations, locking in at 12, 43, and 54 inches. This precise adjustability completely eliminates the need to balance on dangerous step stools to reach shower ceilings or kneel painfully to clean floor grout. The trade-off is structural. Changing lengths requires physically twisting and removing the rod segments instead of a one-button slide mechanism. Both the YKYI and Bomves sacrifice a tiny bit of rapid convenience, but they deliver massive gains in battery endurance and joint pain relief, making them highly effective for aging users or full-house deep cleans. This logic matrix maps out exactly how the correct purchase depends entirely on matching the tool to your specific household profile. For seniors and those with limited mobility, prioritizing the ergonomic reach of the Bomves or YKYI will help reclaim your physical comfort. Time-poor optimizers should prioritize raw speed and easy washing with the 2U to finish chores faster and get their weekend back. Deep clean specialists need the raw torque of the HOTO to obliterate years of neglected grout, keeping that safety warning in mind. And budget-conscious buyers can rely on the baseline versatility of the Leebein for general, multi-surface use. The most effective tools target your specific cleaning friction points rather than simply chasing the highest attachment count. Electric scrubbers act as tools of physical preservation, sparing your body the wear and tear of manual labor. Taking the time to match the exact motor type and extension geometry to your own physical needs is the reliable path to guaranteed satisfaction. A spotless bathroom is the visible result, but the primary return on your investment is finishing your chores with a pain-free lower back.